Dear students, today we will be solve some algebraic expression related math problems. Exercise 4.1. Number 13 expresses the difference of the square of two expressions. Number A, 5p minus 3q into p plus 7q. Let 5p minus 3q equal A and p plus 7q equal b. Here we will be apply the formula of AB, that means a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. We know that AB equal a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square, or value of a is 5p minus 3q into value of b is p plus 7q equal value of a is 5p minus 3q plus value of b is p plus 7q by 2 whole square minus value of a is 5p minus 3q, then minus value of b is p plus 7q by 2 whole square. 5p minus 3q plus p plus multiply plus equal plus 7q by 2 whole square minus 5p minus 3q, then minus p minus multiply plus equal minus 7q by 2 whole square equal added value of 5p and p equal 6p and subtracted value of 7q minus 3q equal plus 4q by 2 whole square minus subtracted value of 5p and minus p equal 4p, then added value of minus 3q and 7q equal minus 10q by 2 whole square. Here this expression we can take 2 as a common value. After taking common value we can write 3p plus 2q by 2 whole square minus, here we can take 2 as a common value. After taking common value we can write 2p minus 5q by 2 whole square. Here 2 and 2 is reduced, 2 and 2 is reduced, so we can write 3p plus 2q whole square minus 2p minus 5q whole square. Number B, 6a plus 9b into 7b minus 8a. Let 6a plus 9b equal x and 7b minus 8a equal y. Here we will be apply the formula of AB. AB equal a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. We know that xy equal x plus y by 2 whole square minus x minus y by 2 whole square. Value of x is 6a plus 9b plus value of y is 7b minus 8a by 2 whole square minus value of x is 6a plus 9b minus value of y is 7b minus 8a by 2 whole square. 6a plus 9b plus 7b minus 8a by 2 whole square minus 6a plus 9b minus 7b minus multiply minus equal plus 8a by 2 whole square equal subtracted value of 6a minus 8a equal minus 2a, added value of 9b and 7b equal plus 16b by 2 whole square minus added value of 6a and 8a equal 14a, subtracted value of 9b and 7b equal plus 2b by 2 whole square. Here minus 2 taking as a common value. After taking common value we can write a minus 8b by 2 whole square minus here 2 as a common value. After taking common value we can write 7a plus b by 2 whole square. Here 2 and 2 reduce, square value of minus is plus, so we can write a minus 8b whole square minus here 2 and 2 reduce, then we can write 7a plus b whole square. Number C, 3x plus 5y into 7x minus 5y. Let 3x plus 5y equal a and 7x minus 5y equal b. We know that ab equal a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Value of a is 3x plus 5y plus value of b is 7x minus 5y by 2 whole square minus value of a is 3x plus 5y minus value of b is 7x minus 5y by 2 whole square. 3x plus 5y plus 7x plus minus multiply with minus 5y by 2 whole square minus 3x plus 5y minus 7x minus multiply minus equal plus 5y by 2 whole square equal added value of 3x and 7x equal 10x plus 5y minus 5y equal 0 by 2 whole square. Here subtracted value of 3x minus 7x equal minus 4x, then added value of 5y and 5y equal plus 10y by 2 whole square. Here 10 divided by 2 equal 5, that means 5x whole square minus this expression minus 2 as a common value. After taking common value we can write minus 5y by 2 whole square equal 5x whole square minus square value of minus is plus 2 and 2 is reduced, so we can write minus 5y whole square. Number D, 5x plus 13 into 5x minus 13. Here we will be apply the formula of a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. Here 5x consider as a and 13 consider as b, that means a plus b into a minus b. This is the formula of a square minus b square. So we can write a square means 5x whole square minus b square means 13 whole square.